Okay. Hello everybody. We are getting overwhelmed sa reaction ninyo dito sa Facebook because ilan na nga, nurse?
71,000.
Okay, so nasa 71,000 na kayo na nag-comment dahil dun sa aking birthday celebration na surprise para sa inyo na dapat 25 of you will be receiving 5,000 from me here on Facebook. So, I want to make it a little easier and I wanted to give more of you a chance. Okay, so napagdesisyonan ko bago ko matulog na ang gagawin na lang natin ganito. Let's make this a 10-day celebration. Binilang ko yun. So, starting on February 4, so that's February 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay? So, 13 yan. Every day, 5 sa inyo ang makakatanggap ng 5,000 pesos. So, dinoble ko na. Sa Facebook, okay, 50 of you will be getting 5,000 pesos each.
Aray.
And mag-a-announce ako every day starting February 4 kung sino sa inyo ang tatanggap ng 5,000 pesos each. Because I figured, I'm kinda superstitious na my mom used to always say na ako yung female ni Noy. So, I don't know kung tadhana din. Please pray for me na hindi because sa kakasabi ng mom ko, takot ako na baka kagaya ng dad ko, 50 years old, pati ako, maded. So, okay. So, ang condition natin lahat is you have to pray for me, Kasi na malagpasan ko tong 50 na to. So, that's why sabi ko, okay, I'm only gonna turn 50 once. I want to live until I'm 51. So, for all of you, my Facebook followers, I keep my promises. So, it's 5,000 pesos a day for the next 10 days starting on February 4. Okay. And, so, nadagdagan gastos ko, but never mind. I'll make more of you happy because you have completed my life. So, this is, actually, kung tutuusin, gagastusin ko din naman yan kung pumarty-party ako, diba? So, mas maganda naman na sa inyo na mapunta. We love you all, and that's my way of making the job of check and nurse, and pati na yung our driver, my bodyguard, si RB, si Jonathan, lahat ng mga staff na magbabasa nitong mga to, pinadali ko na. Para everyday na lang, okay? Everyday kayo mag-comment para pag napili na, don't comment na, okay? Deal tayo, kasi baka mahimatay na sila. So, I'll repeat, everyday for the next 10 days starting on February 4, 5,000 pesos a day for 5 people. So, tumaas na. Okay, 50 people on Facebook will get 5,000 pesos for me. Please, iksian nyo. Huwag nyong habaan masyado. I don't care. I just wanna make you happy. Next time na natin pag-usapan ng mga kwentong buhay natin, all you have to do is write the hashtag Happy Birthday, Chris. Okay? And I love you all. I'm doing this because I'm saying thank you to God. And my way of saying thank you to God is sharing my blessings with you. Okay? Good night. Alam niyo po kung bakit din lumakas ang loob ko kasi yung trabahong gagawin ko po sa Friday, parang yung portion nun, shinare ko na sa inyo. Yung matatanggap ko. I won't have that job had you guys not be kung hindi kayo followers ko sa Facebook, kung hindi kayo naniniwala sa akin, hindi mangyayari to. So, it's just my way of saying, I love you. Thank you for believing in me. And it's also my way of making sure na yung mga sila check, sila nurse, yung mga nagbabasa, hindi sila umiiyak sa dami ng binabasa nila. Okay? I want them to, yeah, because if they're not healthy, I'm not gonna be healthy. So, let's make this easy. Okay? So, I'll repeat, last pagre-repeat, 50 na po sa inyo sa Facebook ang tatanggap ng 5,000 pesos each.
Congratulations!
Si Jane po, palakpak. Hindi ka kasali, Jane, ha? At yung mga kamag-anak nyo, hindi kasali.
Tama, madam.
Tutulong kayong lahat. Tulong-tulong lahat
Yes.
po ng mga nandito. Magtutulong-tulong sa pagbabasa ng mga entries ninyo. I love you. Thank you for supporting us. I would not be doing this kung hindi ako nagkakaroon ng blessings nang dahil na rin sa pagpa-follow nyo sa akin at dahil na rin nanonood kayo ng mga videos namin. And because God blessed me, so I want to be a blessing sa mga buhay ninyo. So, let's celebrate my birthday!
Yay!
Okay, so, please maraming days, there are many days, huwag nyo silang gulatin masyado. There are many days for you to be entering this and I wish you all good luck. I want, kung lahat kayo nga, pwede kong bigyan binigyan ko na, pero ito lang ngayon, 50 of you, okay? 5,000 pesos, 5 a day ang i-announce starting February 4. Now, I have to sleep, I have to stop talking because if I continue talking and I don't rest, yung bibigay ko sa inyo, hindi ko maibibigay dahil hindi makakapagtrabaho sa Friday. Love you, good luck, okay? Good night, bye!
Yes!